Hey everyone, welcome to the channel name Upskilling with Vanshika. A very warm welcome. So, in this video, we are going to discuss SQL basic concepts, which is very important in many fields as well as for the tech interviews. So, let's get started. First, I just want to tell you about the importance of SQL. SQL is important for what kind of fields. So, SQL is important for the field of data management, data analysis, software development, web development, big data. So, in data management, it is important because it is used for creating, manipulating, and controlling data in the relational database. And if we can talk about the data analysis, so it is important for extracting insights from data through querying and analysis. And next one is the software development. So it is important in software development because of integration of the databases with application for data storage and retrieval. And in the field of web development, it is important because a developer build dynamic web application with database integration. And in the field of big data, it is important because SQL is used to handle large scale data for processing and analysis task. So profession in fields like database management, analytics, software development, web development, and big data rely on SQL for various tasks related to the data storage, manipulation, and analysis. So let's discuss further. In SQL, structured query language, databases are a structured collection of data organized into tables which are made up of rows and columns. SQL is a language used to interact with databases, enabling users to perform various operations such as storing, retrieving, updating, and deleting data. So here is a breakdown of key components and concepts related to databases in SQL. So first one is tables. Tables are the basic building blocks of a database. They consist of rows and columns, where each row represents a single record or entry, and each column represents a specific attribute or piece of data. Next one is the columns. Columns define the attributes or properties of the data being stored in a table. Each column has a name and a data type which specify the kind of data it can hold. For example, text, numbers, dates. Next one is the rows. Rows is also known as records, represent individual instances of data stored in a table. Each row contains values for each column defined in the table. Next one is the primary key. A primary key is a column or a combination of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. It ensures that each record in the table is distinct and serve as a reference point for establishing relationship between the table. Relationships in relational databases, tables can be related to each other through common fields. These relationships are established using. So in relational database, tables can be related to each other through common fields. These relationships are established using keys such as primary keys and foreign keys to maintain data integrity and enable data retrieval across the multiple platforms. So next one is the queries. SQL allows users to query databases to retrieve specific information based on predefined criteria. Queries can retrieve data from one or multiple tables, filter data based on condition, perform conditions, and more. Next one is the data manipulation language. DML stands sequence in SQL.